So hi guys, this is Blast the Boom, and here I have with me a mansion, a wooden mansion. Really cool mansion. Not, oh, yeah, I knew it. I forgot to add some windows. But that's okay, it still looks good. Maybe it's too late or whatever. So this is my mansion inside the first floor. There's a cool living room here with a TV, a nice sofa, and some furnace to cook with, and there's like a roller coaster that just go round and round, round and round, round and round. Okay, now we have to go. Maybe you'll see the dining table again. And here I have a sink. It's a really cool sink, and there are some lanterns. Here's a barrel that you can open, so I can store my things. So we are going to the second floor, which has two ways to get up, which is from the roller coaster or the stairs. I usually prefer the roller coaster because it's much faster than the stairs. You have to just see very fast. Just take you as fast as you can, and it will just loop. Here's the second floor. It has like a small library there. And here is a garden with a tree. I don't know how the tree go there. I don't know what to do. And here there's nothing. I just let a garden just with grass, and that's it. Here's the bathroom. Here's like a lid of the toilet bowl. That's really cool. And maybe let's go outside, and I will show you the mansion because that's all what I have to show you.